This video explains the difference between Cat6 and Cat6A. Imagine your home network as a highway. What if one lane suddenly doubled its speed while another stayed the same? That's exactly what happens when you choose between Cat6 and Cat6A cables. Most people grab whichever cable is cheapest, not realizing they might be capping their internet. The wrong choice could slow smart cameras, gaming, or 8K streaming. Let's uncover which cable truly powers your future. Cat6 is a standard Ethernet cable. It supports speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, but only over short distances, about 55 meters. Its bandwidth reaches 250 megahertz. Cat6 is thinner, lighter, and easier to bend. Great for small homes or offices under 55 meters. Cat6A means Cat6 augmented. It doubles bandwidth to 500 megahertz and supports 10 gigabits per second over the full 100 meters. It has stronger shielding, reducing interference from nearby cables, crosstalk. Choosing wrong wastes money or limits speed. Cat6 fails beyond 55 meters at 10 gigabits per second. Cat6A lasts longer and handles future upgrades like Wi-Fi 6E or 8K cameras. Cost is a major factor when choosing between these cables. Cat6 is significantly cheaper, typically costing 10 to 40% less than Cat6A, which makes it the budget-friendly option for small projects. Cat6A costs roughly double the price of Cat6 because it uses more robust materials and shielding, so you pay more upfront for better performance. Ease of use differs because of the cable's physical design. Cat6 is thinner and lighter, making it much easier to bend and route through tight walls or small conduits during installation. Cat6A is thicker and bulkier due to its heavy shielding, which makes it harder to bend and requires more effort to install in tight spaces. Safety involves how well the cable protects data from interference. Both cables are safe for standard use, but Cat6A offers superior protection against electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI, because of its stronger shielding. This extra shielding ensures data stays clean in environments with many nearby electronics or power lines. The main advantage of Cat6 is affordability. It works perfectly for short home runs under 55 meters where budget is tight. The advantage of Cat6A is its ability to support 10 gigabits per second speeds over the full 100-meter distance and handle future network upgrades like Wi-Fi 6E. Both cables have disadvantages that fit specific scenarios. Cat6's main disadvantage is its distance limit. It cannot maintain 10 gigabits per second speeds beyond 55 meters, which causes slowdowns in larger buildings. Cat6A's disadvantage is its high cost and bulky size, which can make installation difficult and expensive for simple home projects that don't need long-distance power. Cat6A is preferred for businesses, long runs, or future needs. Cat6 suits small homes under 55 meters. Here's an example to help you understand better. Cat6 is a two-lane road that jams past 55M. Cat6A is a 4-lane highway staying clear to 100M. Choose Cat6A for longevity and distance. Pick Cat6 for budget and short runs.
Simply click the link below to learn more.